Okay, now we are going to discuss about one very important formula, that is nothing but a VLOOKUP. For example, you have a data related to your customer details, and you have a data more than 1,000. Okay, you have a more than 500 customers details you have. To search each and every customer from the database, it will be very difficult, right? You need a information related to the sales, you need a information related to a sales and a location of the customer. By if you enter a name here, for example, if I enter a name Robert, okay, then automatically what how much we have been sold and he is from which location. I would like to get the information from entering a name here. Okay, to do that one, we are using a VLOOKUP formula. Okay, how to use the VLOOKUP formula? Go to the here, select there where you would like to extract the information, which information you would like to extract. That's the sales information. So select that cell where you like to extract information. Go to insert function lookup. In that lookup and VLOOKUP, we have to select VLOOKUP. Once you have been selected a VLOOKUP, once you have been selected a VLOOKUP, first it is asking for the search key. Okay, which one to be searched, what to be searched. I would like to search the name which have been entered here. I selected that particular cell, the name which have been entered in a K3. Okay, comma, it should be separated, comma, then range, from where need to be searched. Okay, this name need to be searched from where. I will say that I will select entire data. Entire data I have been selected. Entire data set we have to select, and it will start from the name, not from serial number. It will start from a name. Why it is start from a name? Because we are searching for the name, and name should be on a first column. Name should be in a first column. That's why we are starting selection from the name. Then comma. Now it is asking for the index. Index is nothing but which column data you would like to extract. Which column data we would like to extract. That's the G column data, but we can't enter here G. We have to count which column it is. Name is in a first column, mobile number is in a second column, email in a third column, location is in a fourth column, sales is in a fifth column. So that we have to extract the information given in a fifth column, 1 2 3 4 5. In selected data, which column it is, that is nothing but a fifth column. Then we can say close the bracket, it is already closed. Okay, then enter. You will get here not applicable. Why? Because we haven't given a name here. For example, if I give a name Khalil B, okay, again we have to rectify this problem. What is the problem here is we haven't completed a formula. Intentionally I have been done. We haven't completed a formula because one more thing we have to enter, that is an example itself, you can check. We have to enter a false. We have to write it as a false because we need to extract a exact information. We need to extract a exact information, then we are writing it as a false. If you are writing it as a true, then approximate information will be extracted. We'll write it as a false, then enter. Now you can see the sales information has been extracted for the Khalil B. Khalil B sales is, yeah, same thing. If I change the name here now, Robert, okay, again it has been changed. Exact information has been extracted. For example, I say new Steve, his information has been extracted. Like that we can use a VLOOKUP formula to extract the information. Again I'm repeating here, for the extracting a location based on a selected name. Okay, go to there where you like to extract, then insert function lookup, VLOOKUP. Why VLOOKUP? These are arranged in a vertical fashion. For that reason, we are using a VLOOKUP. Search key, that is nothing but name, select that name, comma, range, that is nothing but from where we need to select, from the name to this entire data we need to select, comma. Now it is comes to which column data we are extracting here. Yes, correct. Fourth column, 1, 2, 3, fourth column. Location is in a fourth column, 4, comma. We have to write false or true. It should be false because exact location I need to extract. Once you are done with this formula, then enter. Whenever you change the person, the respective location and sales information has been extracted. This is the application of the VLOOKUP formula. When you have a huge data, when you have a large data, we can use VLOOKUP formula to extract a particular information by feeding a one particular name or serial number or anything we can feed here, and we can extract a information. This is about a application of the VLOOKUP in Google Sheets.